अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे द आउटसाइडर विच इज़ रिटन बाय एल्बर्ट कैमस. एल्बर्ट कैमस was a French Algerian writer and philosopher. He is famous for his ideas of absurdism, the belief that life has no fixed meaning and humans must accept his truth. Born in 7 November 1913 and died on 4 January 1960, Camus didn't believe in pretending that life has a purpose. Instead, he encouraged people to live honestly and freely. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1957. His most famous work are The Outsider, The Plague, or The Myth of Sisyphus. The Outsider is a philosophical novel written in 1942. It tells the story of a Meursault, a man who doesn't show feelings in the way society expects. He become an outsider. उसकी मामा की डेथ हो गई थी तो वो रोया नहीं, तो लोगों ने उसको जो है एक आउटसाइडर जो है उसको तस्लीम कर लिया. एक एब्सर्डिज्म पे बेस्ड है, ये एक नावल है आई थिंक, तो अब या फिर प्ले है. बिकॉज ही रिफ्यूजेस टू प्रिटेंड एंड डजंट लाई अबाउट हिज इमोशंस. दिस नावल इज़ अ सिंपल इन लैंग्वेज but deeps in meaning. This novel begins with the famous line, "Mother died today or maybe yesterday, I don't know." Meursault, the main character, shows no sadness at his mother's funeral. People find it's very strange. He returns to normal life, spend time with Maria, a woman who loves him, and goes out with friends. One day at the beach, he become involved in a fight with an Arab man. Meursault shoot the man, and the man was died, and Meursault going to be arrested. Meursault kills a man. Because of that, the court gives him a punishment. He will be killed by the government using a machine called a guillotine. It cuts the head. This is called execution. So he will die because of the court's decisions, not because he killed himself. He thinks about life and death. He says that life has no big meaning, but that's okay. He is not scared anymore. He feels happy and ready to die. The title "The Outsider" is very important. Meursault is an outsider in society. He doesn't cry at his mother's funeral, doesn't say "I love you" to Mary, and doesn't believe in God, all of which makes people feel he is cold and strange. He doesn't follow a society's emotional rules, so people thinks he is not normal. The title also shows that he is a stranger to life, to others, and even to himself in the beginning, but at the end he accepts life and death and no longer feels like a stranger. So the title shows how being different from society can make someone feel alone or judged, even if they are honest or true. Meursault was emotionless but honest. He doesn't pretend to feel what he doesn't feel. He doesn't believe in lying to fit into society. Society sees him as a stranger or an outsider because of his unusual behavior. I am done this video. Next video तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. See you soon.